Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Narottam Das Thakur says that birth after birth, because a devotee, he does not aspire after going back to home, back to Godhead. No. Any place, it doesn't matter. He wants to simply glorify the Supreme Lord. That is it. It is not the business of the bhakta that he is chanting and dancing and executing devotional service for going to Vaikuntha or Goloka Vrindavan. That is Krishna's desire. If he likes, he will take. That Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, ইচ্ছা যদি তোর জনমায়বি যদি মরে ইচ্ছা যদি তোর ভক্ত গৃহেতে জন্ম হৌক মোর. A devotee only prays that he does not request Krishna that please take me back to Vaikuntha Goloka Vrindavan. No. If you think that I must take birth again, that's all right. But only my request is that give me birth in the house of a devotee, so that I may not forget. This is the only prayer of the devotee. Because just like this child, she has taken birth having Vaishnava father and mother. So she must have been a Vaishnavi or a Vaishnava in her previous life. Because this is an opportunity from all our children, those are born of a Vaishnava father and mother. They are very, very fortunate. From the very beginning of life, they are hearing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. They are associating with Vaishnava, chanting, dancing, imitation or fact, it doesn't matter. So they are very, very fortunate children. Suchinam Srimatangehi Dhruva Bhrashta Sanjaya. So they are not ordinary children. They are, these children, they are always hankering after associating with devotees, chanting Hare Krishna, coming to us. So they are not ordinary children. The Bhakta Sangha Bhava. This is the very good opportunity, Bhakta Sangha Bhava. So our Krishna Consciousness Society is a Bhakta Sangha. It is a society of devotees. Never try to go away. Never try to go away. Discrepancies there may be. We should adjust. And this chanting and dancing within the society of devotees has got great advantage, great value. Here it is confirmed. And all the Vaishnavas have confirmed. Tadero charana sevi bhakta sanghe bhav. Janame mon. Janame, he doesn't want to go back. That is not his desire. When Krishna will desire, Krishna will allow me, that is different thing. Otherwise, let me go on in this way. Life in the society of devotees and chanting and dancing is my business. This is required, not anything else. Anything else, anything desiring, that is annavilas. Annavilasita sunnam. A devotee should not desire anything except this, that let me live with the society of devotees and chant Hare Krishna. This is our life. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.